Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my unlimited, respectful and humble obeisance to the lotus feet of my most beloved spiritual master, Ang Vishnupad Ashtadhara Sato Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, also Ang Vishnupad Ashtadhara Sato Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and always praying that causeless mercy. Also offer obeisance to the lotus feet of my Param Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and other Guru Varga. And also who are present, my humble obeisance to all of you. I wanted to speak about Guru Tattva or Bhakti Tattva, about my Guru Tattva. I speak something about my Guru. Because my right three Guru is mine. One of the Bhakti Vedanta Trivikram Maharaj Ji, who brought me in the spiritual life. And my Gurudev Bhakti Vedanta Bhavan Goswami give initiation. Mantra make relationship with the Krishna. Initiation means, what is the meaning of initiation? Dibbogyan, divine knowledge. That we are not in this material or in anybody. We are thinking my family is mine, it is my wife, it is my children. This is not your real identification. Your real identification with the Krishna. That is Madan Mohan. He make relationship, Guru make relationship with Madan Mohan. One of the Krishna. In Gauriya, Vaishnava, there are three worshipful deities. Madan Mohan, Sambandha, Abhidev is Govindadev, and our present Tattva is the Gopinath. And the Guru also 4 times. First Guru is the Chaitya Guru.
The primero Guru era o Chaitya Guru.
First Guru is Chaitya Guru. Who is super soul? Chaitya Guru means super soul. Understand? And then second Guru is Mahanta Guru. Mahanta Guru means who make the relationship with Krishna, giving the divine knowledge. Your relationship with the Madan Mohan. Why Madan Mohan? Why not Govinda? Why not Gopinath? Because Madan means Cupid. All we are in this material world, the Cupid means desire to enjoy it. This is everybody who are not connected to Krishna consciousness. There are so many various type of desire to enjoy. So first we take the Gurudev make relationship with Madan Mohan, who will be crush your material desire and bring in the Krishna more and more advance in the Govindaji. Try to understand this thing. Madan Mohan, why? Because so many other desire to enjoy, material desire, how we enjoy. For this thing, when we are make Gurudev give initiation by divine knowledge, make relationship. Without relationship, we cannot advance, we cannot love. Understand? If no, how positiveness, mamatta buddhi will become. How I love when I know that is my wife, this is my children. When I know Madan Mohan is my worshipful deity, if I worshipping, then all my life will be auspicious. I will get human life my successful. When that type of divine knowledge I will get, then by initiation, then I will make relationship. Gurudev make relationship with the Mahanta Guru, that is called Mahanta Guru. Chaitya Guru part make to us bring that Mahanta Guru. Sometimes when Chaitya Guru bring us to the Mahanta Guru, and in the middle, sometimes there is someone, Pada Sadguru, who showing. Sometimes direct coming, sometimes somebody showing me, but this is the, you can take the center, you come in the Krishna consciousness, you will be happy. You have not direct in the Guru, initial Guru, Mahanta Guru, then Pada Guru instructed him, and then somehow he get the Mahanta Guru. Sometimes who are giving instruction that Diksha Guru sometimes do the Shiksha also. But sometimes Diksha Guru is so busy or he left this planet, then you need the Shiksha Guru also.
Is that a third?
Huh?
This is third?
Huh?
Third?
There's the third. Shiksha Guru may be many, understand? But one Bhajan Shiksha Guru must be. Man, if you accept Bhajan Shiksha Guru, one, from who are in, and progress me to my bhajan, in that line my Shiksha Guru. The bhajan Shiksha Guru, when I will be I learn something, I can make him that he is my Shiksha Guru. But bhajan Shiksha Guru must be one who may develop my mood, that my Gurudev was, that mood is developed in my mind. Because anything I learn from anybody about in spiritual life, I must be thinking is my Shiksha Guru. But in Bhajan Shiksha Guru will be one who are encouraging, who are inspiring, who are advanced, that how I can advance in my bhajan life. Especially how I chant Hare Krishna. What type of chanting that now we are chanting, that is only word. Sabda Brahma not coming. It is vibration of air. But what type chanting, what type I pray, all that, if Diksha Guru is not possible, if not have time or he have left, then Shiksha Guru, the Bhajan Shiksha Guru will teach me how. The book, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, our Shiksha Guru, Bhajan Rasa, Rup Goswami, our Shiksha Guru, how we are Bacho Beg, Mono Beg, all our Shiksha Guru. For progress my spiritual life. And who, but in the book, but that, what is the real meaning of all these things? That Bhajan Shiksha Guru explained to us, that the Bhaktivedanta Narayan Maharaj is my most Bhajan Shiksha Guru. We are accept our Bund Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj, Tito Maharaj, everybody accept his Bhajan. Our initiation Guru is Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, but our Shiksha Guru, Bhajan Shiksha Guru is the Narayan Goswami Maharaj. We never think Narayan Maharaj and my Gurudev is any different. Because when Narayan Maharaj giving any lecture, we think my Gurudev is speaking. This type of mood must be. You not think that he is the CEO, he is my Shiksha Guru is different, my Shiksha Guru is different. No, it is the Chaitanya Charitamrita gift. Krishna Swarup and Krishna Roop. Roop hai, Diksha Guru है, Swarup है. What is the difference? Roop and Swarup. And Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj also told, you will be think your Diksha Guru, your Diksha Guru. And some other Gauriya Vaishnava, who is bona fide Guru, you think they are my Shiksha Guru. He told everybody think my Diksha Guru is my Diksha Guru. With other Guru Varga who is present in the world, we will think they are my Shiksha Guru. It's like a Bhakti Daito, Nityalapana Bhakti Daito Madhav Maharaj, Tapos Siddhar Goswami Maharaj. All we think they are my Shiksha Guru. And their disciple must think Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, our Shiksha Guru. In this way, we are not, oh, my Guru is Guru or other is Bogus Guru, never think. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, all we are giving honor. We know that we are coming in the Western country on the platform that Swami Maharaj built that platform. And that platform we are coming and giving the lecture. First, here making the foundation. Understand? So we are grateful to him. We are not ungrateful that, oh, my Guru Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, no, before our Swami Maharaj came and made the Western, before Gauriya Vaishnava, they are also came, Swami Prabhupada came, but they are not so much successful as the Swami Maharaj successful, so vast. Especially Guru Tattva Guru is one, coming from the Nityananda Prabhu. Undivided Guru Tattva is Nityananda, original is Guru. But according, separate, have from that Prokar manifestation, separate form. Understand? Guru is one. Tattva is Guru one. What? Guru Tattva means what is? He give the word, giving instruction in disciple to worshipping Lord Krishna, Radha Krishna, not me. I am not your worshipful deity, but your worshipful deity is Aradho Devi is Radharani Krishna. That Guru say, you are doing puja me, that Guru is Bhogat Guru. It is true. Disciple must think Guru is my life and soul. Guru very steadiness to Guru, everything. But that not meaning he will be disrespect other Vaishnava. Especially Guru not only Guru Sevo giving honor, who are servicing, Guru institution you give honor, everything including Guru. Understand? You must remember, if you are not strong belief, faith in Guru, or no steadiness, then your spiritual life also become restless. You cannot going. Strongly you not going. It is very important, very strong faith in Guru. And Guru must be like that Guru. Guru not like a now that Guru and now not become Guru. Guru will be always Guru. Not attachment, any money, any disciple. Guru never think that it is disciple is my property. Understand? Gurudev never think that it is all my property. That Guru used to think, they are not my disciples. They are not my personality. All my Gurudev, they are my opulent of my Gurudev. And so in this way, we are very strong faith of Guru, and we will be developed to relationship with Guru also. Understand? We make very strong relation with Guru, because Gurudev mercy will be there. We will be advance our spiritual life. Bhakti Prakan Keshav Goswami Param Gurudev told, it is true. There is no different Shiksha Guru, Bhajan Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. But still, there is some speciality. Nothing is different. When your Gurudev is sitting, even the Bhaktivinoda Thakur picture in anything, so you will be first giving obedience your Guru. Understand? For this thing, my Gurudev taught me that when I will sit Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Tirikam Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, because three brothers is so intimate. One life, three different body, like in life is one. Understand? So intimacy. If you cannot get their pastime to when they left, that is we can stop. So that time Gurudev told me, when you will do pranam, not first me, you middle you will do pranam. Middle. Not then everybody will be pranam. Understand? Not showing me that you are my Gurudev first, then going the second Guru. No. You will be doing pranam in the middle. This is my Gurudev. That time, Vinas, he have taught me that you do like this. Mostly, I now going, what is my Tirikam Maharaj? Why I am accept my Guru? Because in I was young age, I was not in, my mother and my elder sister was in spiritual life by initiation by Bhakti Prakan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. But I am not interested in this Vaishnava philosophy. Understand? I am not interested. I am only material, video all that. But I am very fortunate. I have darshan, bhakti pradhan, Keshav Goswami Maharaj. When I was 8-9 years old, they came in our house. In this way, this is the Vaishnava darshan. One result is Vaishnava darshan, your life becomes changed. Yesterday I give the Ganga, if you touch Ganga, Paman Ganga, purified you. But if you darshan Vaishnava, that will also purify. No need to touch. Darshane pavitra karo, ei tomar gun. So many Prabhupada disciples, Bhakti Siddhanta, that time used to come Bhakti Pradhan. I don't know anything, I not remain also. But still have darshan, so that is time little purified my heart, but I cannot understand. My Tirikam Maharaj used to speak me always, give instruction, why you waste your time? Huh? Why your material here and there going? You will get so good chance. You come, your life will be successful. If you chant Hare Krishna, if you are coming in Krishna concert, you will be happy. And if you are not singing, every right will be reserved for enjoyment. Understand? Sense enjoyment. But human life only that to come in the Krishna concert. In this way, he are making me, he are giving so inspired and giving the Sanatana, Rupa Goswami, Shiksha, everything. And he heard his instruction, inspired. I gradually, I understand the importance of Vaishnava philosophy, and I came in this world. And especially one speciality of the Tirikam Maharaj, he is so qualified. Understand? And so much renouncing also. Understand? How if anybody so have seen that before, they can understand. How? In the extreme point of renouncing. And everything is good. Preacher, every quality he have, but he have never desired I will become Guru. This is the speciality. Nowadays everybody wants I become Guru, Acharya. But Narayana Maharaj, Tirikam Maharaj, never in his life have desired. He brought so many persons to in the Krishna concert, but never think I am Guru. And never claim that I am your Shiksha Guru, anything. How simple life. He have up to 75, 78, he have no seva. He have no any put any, do his own personal. He himself sitting, clean his cloth. Very healthy. So he put one wooden seat and put himself. He doing cow service. So many cows are in that temple. He are making, feeding, everything he himself doing. And he is very much fond to cook. Not only one preparation, two preparation. When you will make festival, make 4 type of rice. What rice? Ordinary rice, sweet rice, one in nimkin rice. That is called Pushpanna and Khichdi. 4 types. Dal must be, rafra, fry, one pakoda must be, one bitter thing must be, at least 16, and then one type of rasa, chutney, papad, so many things. In Chaturmasya, then he do no eggplant, no other thing, he will be making another thing. Pakoda. He had cooked himself. He not like anybody. He had made in that time no mixing, understand? Then in the wooden, in the stone, I also used to, like he himself, very beautiful like a chandan. Sandalwood is coriander, dhania and jeera. So, sitting. So much. He do himself, and if any brahmachari, earlier not do, he becomes so angry. So to him, Brahmachari very difficult to stay. Because he always busy with the service of Krishna. He don't like anybody come in the temple and they, now I am done, now it is sleeping time. I will be after take prasad 2 hours sleep. No. So many who are service. So many people in India, everybody so Baba, so much Kara mane very strict. Very strict. Not allowed. You are, and here make the festival, the people are coming on that time prasad. Mostly they are coming prasad time, not Harikatha. So he is also very clever. Still people when coming, then he give the lecture 1 hour. At 3 o'clock he give the, but why you came late? So you must be here Harikatha, only come to for prasad. No. Here Harikatha, 4th February. It is the real. He have wanted that some Harikatha, then you will be get benefit. Your impression coming. Otherwise, how impression? No impression. How will come in the Krishna consciousness? All philosophical confusion that is learned from Trivikramana. What I am speaking more is that Narayan Maharaj. And my Gurudev is opposite. He is very simple, not know to how to abusing. He is not very loudly. He is very simple. He giving honor everybody, especially Trivikram Maharaj and Narayan Maharaj. He never think I am become Acharya. My Gurudev appoint me Acharya. He never think I am Acharya. Very Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. One time he wrote my Gurudev. Gurudev, you must be take some rest. Gurudev told in who will be sevak, who will be servant, he have no rest. In Krishna consciousness, who will be become sevak, he have no, in any dictionary, have no word of Vishram, rest. My real rest will be when I will be take the shelter of Asaka, Abhay, Amrita Adhar, Tomaro Charana Joy, Akono Vishram, Ravya, Charinu Bhaver Goy. Bhaktivinoda Thakur pray Radha Krishna that Prabhu, your lotus feet is fearless, no bhai, also no lamentation, and Amrita full of nectar. When I will take the shelter of your lotus feet, then my eternal rest will be. So my Gurudev quoted this sound and told it is my real rest will be when I will be take the Asaka Abhay Amrita Adhar, Tomaro Charana Joy, Tahate Akon Vishram Ravya, Charinu Bhaver Goy. Means no fear of material world. Who are taking the shelter of bona fide Guru, their heart must be that type of prayer, that type of desire. That how I engage 24 hours to Krishna, Radha Krishna service. Not in material to earning money. If we need to, without money we cannot maintain our life. But still, that desire, when I will get that opportunity, I will be engaged my time 24 hours to Krishna. Otherwise, Radha Krishna, no service, material life service, need something but very important to serve to Radha Krishna. They desire everybody heart if they wanted to develop, progress their spiritual life. Otherwise, no strong desire to develop, they are not. But this, then Gurudev will be your Guru. Our Guru Varga always told, I will always with you. Even Narayan Maharaj told, I am always with your heart. I never left. You are thinking now Narayan Maharaj left, now this happened in past time. No, he to think he is also with you. But that type we are not qualified, so we are thinking, oh Gurudev is not present. We are so much upset, not inspired any spiritual, not inspired to go to Parikrama, no Gurudev service, no Guru. Now you must be thinking Gurudev looking you. If you are doing some service, Gurudev will be helped and Gurudev will inspire your heart, the intelligence also. How can you develop? Especially, Narayan Maharaj, special, he not look that you are coming from other gurus. Understand? Your guru separate. You will not take initiation. Who have desire to develop, you wanted to help everybody. So it is very rare to get that type of guru. Especially Maharaj Ji, Bhaktivedanta Narayan, always give us instruction, don't criticize. Don't criticize, don't complain, don't stop to chanting Harinam. This is a very important instruction, and especially in this life we try to progress, desire to how we can progress our spiritual life. This is the thing Bhaktivedanta Narayan Maharaj always give us instruction, also harmony, and love each other. It is one, we are one family. If that one family, you are quarreling, you are some mood, no. In personal life, you must be different opinion, understand? But in spiritual, when any preaching center, any mandir, anywhere, all are Godfather, God sister will be one point, no different. One point, how can happy our Gurudev? How can I give pleasure to my Gurudev? The one point there will be. Everybody one and love each other. Not she is so that my godfather is not good. No, never harmony. If no, then how can? We are one family. We are so Guru Maharaj, all are binding in a one room. We are one family. We love each other and give respect. So many things is. When any guru, they are unlimited, or not possible touching one drop of Guru Vargo, one, you can qualify Guru Vargo. Understand? One time my Guru Maharaj wrote one letter, if you wanted to glorify Guru, then you think the earth is my paper. You now wanted to glorify the paper. If you think the earth is your paper, pen, if you think Himalaya peak is my pen, what ink, 7 ocean is your pink, if your ink, still you could not qualify.
As Glória de...
The what I will be half an hour I can qualify.
Então, as glórias de Guru...
It is when coming mind, Guru, only you can realize yourself. How Gurudev, what we are grateful Gurudev, it is not expressed by every time, by word. Understand? So try to realize who have get some time to Gurudev association with you, they can try to understand and they try how I can develop what take other Guru also, no matter, try to, this desire must be in your heart very strongly. I must be, understand Gurudev told, this instruction you must be develop your, every material life is reserved for every birth. Understand? But Krishna conscious, to spiritual life is only you have become human beings. Otherwise not. And in how much Brahmanda Bhumite kono Bhagyavan Deep, and we are so unlimited time we are wandering the universe. Somehow in this life we are get bona fide Guru. So in this life we try to, this is my request, everybody, they not try, not like a very enthusiasm, encouraging way, they try to develop their spiritual life. Especially time to time we become weak in spiritual life. They need to battery charge. When computer, if you want to coming, how battery charge our desire of spiritual life becomes so weak. How? Going to sometime India, Sadhu Sangha, associates, read Gurudev book, Guru Varga book, and so our Guru Varga made that by giving battery charge, calling, invited you, Gold Purnima time, go and doing parikrama, you battery charge. Again, Brajavandal parikrama time, 1 month, battery charging. Then when you come back again, then you will be some battery charge. Now our power is going. So time to battery charging. Not otherwise, not only staying in the family life, battery become down. And never stop to chant. Understand? I hear so many people that I am not get chance. Are chant Mahamantra Kaliyug, it is the topmost powerful mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When you be chant, you get power from the mantra. So I not make more because due to my fault I make you late. The prasad, you are also hungry. Madhav Maharaj, if you are hungry, you become angry. Madhav Maharaj. I don't want to make you angry or hungry also. So please now Mahaprasad, please.
Jai Ho.
And Mahaprasad is coming. Think that is Mahaprasad not consider it is chili or it is salty, it is no salt. It is Mahaprasad coming from the lotus mouth of Mahaprabhu Radha Krishna. You will be very strong faith. Take prasad.
Hare Hare.
What is mantra of Mahaprasad Sevan?
Mahaprasad.
Mahaprasade.
Vinde Nama Brahmani.
What is the meaning? Who has little bit faith, they cannot be said it is coming from the lotus mouth of the Radha Krishna. Naam in name, Brahmani, and Prasad. 3 things. Who have strong faith, they can, and who have not so strong faith, they cannot believe. Oh, it is ordinary dal bhat. Here like to eat and like to feed it other also. But my Gurudev very simple. Munanath Maharaj is very simple. But Trivikram Maharaj. Kotha of either tikha, spicy, and kotha of very chili. He is not fair to speak to. He is speaking as Baba. Anybody first come in the temple, why you came? That man answered, I came. It is good temple coming. Well, why? What good? What good? If I do come in Krishna concert, then auspicious. What auspicious you wanted? Your material life is auspicious. If that person is not enough in pressure, he will be our next day not come. He had past giving so much, but very outside very hard, but inside very soft. Like a coconut. Inside very love and affection. He loved me so much because he brought me, so he loved me. He not see any fault in me. If I make puri, some not like a round shape. If not, he will with his bilna, he sharp it. But me, never. Anything I do wrong, anything not good properly, but she will not say me anything. Laugh so much. When I came and living in the Mathura, when I come in the Tinsura, that place, Trivikram asked, Ma, you become Kinkori. And Maharaj, Kinkori too much far. Follow, yes. You become, you have become the one of Jharu, one state. Oh, now Maharaj, is it too much? But your Gurudev, your Narayan Maharaj never become Gopi. He never done any cow seva. I am doing cow seva. So how you will be Gopi? Your Maharaj is never in this life. Always saying so many things. One day he told, how you become? Your name is Narayan. You are coming in Brahman family. And I am coming from the Kawade family. My name was Ramana. So how you are coming? How you become Gopi? You cannot. In this way they are joking each other. That is all that they are each other talking. Then sometimes Guru Maharaj told that this is that our Mahaprabhu come in the Brahman family. Your Krishna came in the Vaishya family, Kawade. Very much too hard when doing Parikama time. You can't think, fine. One time, no, I will. Tipikama person will take the mic. So beautiful. And nowadays we not see that this type of love each other.